Every legendary old Jeep begins its rebirth journey with careful collection, transport, and detailed inspection. Before rebuilding begins, every component is cleaned, inspected, and prepared for a complete transformation.
3, 2.
After months of craftsmanship, the classic Jeep completes its journey from forgotten machine to restored automotive legend. The exterior restoration brings the classic Jeep back to life, combining craftsmanship with modern finishing techniques. Think modern SUVs can handle the real wild? Think again. If you are a true off-roading enthusiast who loves raw power and adventure,
If you want more videos about vehicles, please like, subscribe, and share.